Your morning is not broken, your night is. Most people spend months trying to fix their mornings. Better alarm clocks, cold showers, journaling at 6 a.m., and nothing sticks. Because they're solving the wrong problem. What you do in the last 90 minutes before you sleep determines how you think, it determines how you feel, and it determines how you perform the entire next day. And right now, most of you are spending those 90 minutes in a way that's quietly wrecking you. Here are the 5 steps to a perfect night routine, and I'll tell you right now, step 3 is the one almost nobody does, but it's the reason high performers wake up already winning. Step 1, the digital sunset, 60 minutes before bed, not 10 minutes, 60. Every screen you look at, your phone, your TV, your laptop is blasting blue light directly at your brain, and it's telling it, it's noon, stay awake. Like, your brain literally cannot tell the difference, so your body never gets the melatonin signal it needs to start shutting down. And the result, you lie in bed for 45 minutes unable to sleep. You wonder what's wrong with you, and nothing's wrong with you. You just kept the lights on. Set a phone alarm called screens off 60 minutes before your target sleep time. That's it, non-negotiable. Step 2, the brain dump. 10 minutes of writing. Your brain at night is like a browser with 47 tabs open. You're replaying conversations, planning tomorrow, worrying about things you can't control. All of that mental noise actively destroys your sleep quality. So you get it out of your head and onto paper. Spend 10 minutes writing down everything that's sitting in your brain, and write down unfinished tasks, worries, ideas, tomorrow's priorities. When it's on paper, your brain stops holding on to it, and studies on this are clear. People who do a written brain dump before bed fall asleep faster. They wake up sharper. Your head hits the pillow with nothing left to carry. Step 3, the 10-minute prep ritual. This is the one almost everyone skips, and it's the difference between waking up reactive and waking up in control. Before you sleep, you prepare the physical environment for tomorrow. Lay out your clothes, pack your bag, set out whatever you need for the morning. Write down your single most important task for tomorrow. Just one, not a to-do list. One thing. When you wake up, there's no friction, no decision fatigue, no scrambling. You already know what to do. You already feel ready. That's not just productivity, that's identity. You're becoming someone who has their life together. Every night you do this, that identity gets stronger. If this is already clicking for you, hit the like button right now. It tells me to keep making videos like this, and it helps other people find this information too. Step 4, control your sleep environment. Your bedroom needs to do one job, make you fall asleep and stay asleep. That means cool. Around 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, dark blackout curtains or a sleep mask, and quiet or masked with white noise if your environment is loud. This isn't luxury, this is basic sleep architecture. Your body temperature naturally drops when you sleep, so a cool room accelerates that process. A warm room fights it. Most people are sleeping in rooms that are too bright, too warm, and too stimulating. Fix the environment, fix the sleep. Step 5, the tomorrow's first win. Here's the one that ties everything together. Right before you close your eyes, you spend 60 seconds mentally rehearsing tomorrow morning going well, not in a wishful thinking way. You literally visualize waking up. Visualize getting up immediately. Visualize doing your first task with energy and focus. Athletes do this before competition. Surgeons do this before operations. Your brain doesn't fully distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. You're literally pre-programming yourself for a successful morning before you've even slept. It takes 60 seconds. Most people spend that time doom scrolling instead. Here's the truth that changes everything. Your night routine isn't about sleep. It's about who you're deciding to be tomorrow. Every step you take tonight is a vote for the person you want to become. Start tonight, not Monday, tonight. Pick one step from this list and do it, just one, because one step done is worth more than 5 steps planned. Your tomorrow starts right now.